Today, I'll show you why S and ED end sounds are so important. Do you want to make your English instantly clearer? Your end sounds, like S and ED, can completely change the meaning of your sentence. Skip them and people might misunderstand you. Use them correctly and your English sounds clear, confident and natural. So today, that's what I'm going to teach you. By the end of this video, your English will instantly sound clearer and people will understand the words that you're saying. Why end sounds matter? End sounds in English, they're not optional. They tell us one or many, present or past, who owns something, if it's a feeling or an action, and even what question you're asking. If you miss the end sound, the meaning can change completely. The S ending. Plurals. One versus many. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Student, students. When you say cat, it means one. Cats means more than one. If you say, I like dog, it sounds like you like to eat dog meat. But I like dogs means you like the animal. You like dogs. Different S sounds. So we have three. S, Z, and is. S, cats, cups, bikes. Now we say this is unvoiced because if you hold it here and say cats, you can't feel it. So it's unvoiced. Z, dogs, bags, pens. This one's voiced. Dogs, you can feel it, so it's a voiced sound. Is, buses, classes, sandwiches. This gives you an extra syllable. The spelling is the same, S or ES, but the sound changes. English cares about sound, not spelling. But even if the sounds are different, you must pronounce an ending. Cats, dogs, buses. Plural questions. Do you like dog? Do you like dogs? So even in questions, if you're talking about animals in general, you must use the plural. Do you like dogs means do you like this kind of animal? Do you like dog sounds like you're asking if someone enjoys eating dog meat. This is a powerful, very real example for Asian learners. So don't say, do you like movie? What? You only like one movie? No. Do you like movies? He, she, it needs S. Present simple. I walk. He walks. We like. She likes. I run. It runs. Do you see the difference? When we have he, she, it, we need S after verb 1. So without the S, it sounds incomplete or incorrect. S for ownership. David's phone, apostrophe S. Teacher's bag, apostrophe S. The small S sound shows who the object belongs to. So when you're writing it, whose is this? It's David's. David, apostrophe S. Apostrophe means belonging to. David's phone. Teacher's bag. The ED ending. ED equals past tense. Walk, walked. Call, called. Wash, washed. We use ED to show the action happened before. Adjective. You're feeling. Bored. Interested. Excited. When ED is an adjective, it describes your feeling. Not bored. Feeling versus giving the feeling. Boring, ing, gives the feeling. Bored, ed, you feel it. If you say, I am boring, you are saying that you give other people the feeling of boredom. That's not a good thing. But I am bored means you are bored. Interesting. It gives you the feeling. Interested. You feel it. Confusing. Gives you the feeling. Confused. You feel it. ING gives the feeling. ED, you're feeling. ED has three sounds. T, D, and id. Washed. Played. Wanted. We never say ed. Now when it's ID sound at the end, it's after T or D. So it's wanted. Needed. So the T or the D goes on to the ED. So it is tid or did. There are rules for these. I'll put them on the screen here. What I always say, the easiest way is remember ID and T. They're the easiest two. And if you don't recognize it, then the answer is D. So id and T. Everything else, D. Confused? Confusing? Maybe, I don't know. Showing why N sounds matter. I like dog. Sounds like eating dog meat. I've used this one quite a lot today. It's because I live in Asia and a lot of my viewers are Asian. I like dogs. Correct meaning. He work in a hospital. Incorrect. He works in a hospital. Correct. I called my friend yesterday. Tense. I called my friend yesterday. Correct. Verb 2. Past tense. I am boring. I give the feeling to other people? I really hope not. I am bored. I feel bored. My feeling. This one always makes students laugh. Perfect classroom moment all the time. Teacher, I am boring. Okay guys, quick practice and summary. Repeat after me. Plurals. Cats. Dogs. Students. Different S sounds. Cats. Dogs. Buses. He, she, it verb. He works. She likes. It rains. Past tense. Worked. Called. Wanted. Feelings. Bored. Excited. Interested. S endings show plurals. He, she, it, and ownership. ED endings show past tense or feelings. Missed N sounds can change the meaning completely. So if you would like more pronunciations like this, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Hitting the bell's up to you. I tell you that all the time. Tell me in the comments if this video was helpful, if you want me to do a part 2. Which N sound is hardest for you? Is it S? Is it ED? Is it both? I'll help you in the next video. Thank you very much. See you later.